Chợ Tân Định here in District 3, Saigon. What do they sell here at this market? Have you been here before?
Never been, but I imagine they would have everything you need.
Let's see what they have. Go to a safe street crossing. Kind of see the inside of the market there. This is here on Hai Ba Trung Street in District 3, which is a fairly major street. All right, let's be careful. Alright, got some fruits, flowers. Donuts? Is that a donut salesman?
No, it's not donut.
What is it? Which is what?
It's just like a fried dough thing. It's chewy. It's got sesame in it.
I think the only difference between that and a donut is the sesame.
No, it's chewy. A donut is not really chewy. It's thick.
Kind of crumbly.
Yeah, but it's not chewy.
So far, I see fabrics. Lots of different types of fabric. Hello. It's almost eerily quiet in here. Doesn't really feel like, doesn't have that typical market noise. They taking like an oath of silence or something? Alright, so we got out of the fabrics, now we're in more of the household goods. Got some masks, socks, some deodorants, different dried goods, beans, little dried shrimps, lots of nuts. Oh, no thank you. Oh, sorry. That was what, Chinese? Korean. Hello. Some different peppers there.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, Ginger.
Ginger, huh?
Hello, cheese.
Hello,
Hello, Ginger.
Ginger. Ah, some dried fish. You like dried fish, don't you? Cackle.
Oh, that's braised fish.
Oh, cackle.
That's right. There you go.
We just came out. Hello. Hi. Hi, ciao. Lots of mushrooms here. That might be like medicine or something. We just came out of here. We were eating here earlier. Should we go around this way? So now this would be like more of the wet market area. I imagine earlier in the day they might have different types of meat. Ooh. Nothing like the sound of a handsaw. More dried taco. vegetables. Hello. Hi. Got rau. Yeah. Some different fish here. Is that fish? Is that eel? Cool. And frog. Two dogs fighting over a thing. Dog tug-of-war. Say no more. Let's go see this dog tug-of-war. Who will win? All right, who do you got, brown or white? I'm taking white, 50,000.
Oh, brown.
Oh my God, I took white. Okay, all right, sorry. Bye bye. Bye bye, con chó. Bye bye. The dogs don't like me. The dogs don't like when you bet on them. That's the thing. As soon as you bring money into the equation, they just cut it off. They're very anti-gambling, the local dogs here in District 3 at least. You want some fruits? All right. Let's get some fruits. Oh, you can even get a haircut here. Get a cut top. Or you can get a lam mom.
I don't think so. It's just more like, yeah.
She's doing lam mom.
Oh, really?
Look.
Okay.
Getting her nails did.
Mangosteen.
What kind of fruit do you want from the chai kai?
Mangosteen.
Mangosteen. Well, here's the chai kai. How do you say mangosteen?
Mango.
Mango.
Yeah.
That?
Wanna ask them? Cái cục bấy thôi.
Cái này là
50 kg. Lấy 40 luôn. Còn thách thôi.
không còn không.
20 kg đúng không? Vì cô lựa con cái.
So, not a good deal or a good deal?
I don't know. I've never bought mangosteen dạng lì. Never bought mangosteen. Hello.
Hi.
Never bought fruit in the market.
So let us know in the comments, guys. We're paying 50,000 for a kilogram, right? So 50,000 a key. Is that a good price for mangosteen in the market? You tell us. Tell us in the comment section. This is the mangosteen.
này măng cầu ăn liền này con.
That's a lot of mangosteens though, for 50K. Wow, she's really good.
Wow.
She eyeballed that kilogram very well.
Yeah.
Nam chúc.
Dạ.
All right, thank you.
Cảm ơn.
Cảm ơn. That is good. Chỗ này có bán nón không? Okay, over there. Okay, yeah, come on. So I want to buy a hat.
I don't know how to bargain. She said 50, so I said, I'm gonna give you 40 for that. That was awkward.
Nón nè.
Nón nào?
Nón nón for men. Yeah. Well, let's see what you got here. Can we see?
Lấy ra. you want this round thing?
No, I don't think I want the round thing. AZ. Okay, what else you got?
Converse.
I don't really like the AZ one that much.
Your model.
I mean, it doesn't look that bad. I'm just not really excited about it.
What color do you want?
Không, có thể có cái hộp Lego nó lên trên đó bé.
I don't know.
Lego lên trên đó à. Nó không có trơn không?
I don't know.
You pick one in there. Look in there. Pick one.
Nó phải có Lego hết à.
Are they all the same? What's the red one?
Lấy cái màu đỏ thử.
What's that red one? I like that color. Sorry to make you pull all of them out. So it's kind of like the same. Oh, it's Adidas. What's the blue one? Can I see the blue one? Nike. Ooh, I kind of like the Nike one.
Put it on.
Well, I'm kind of sweaty. I don't want to put it on really. You put it on.
Put it on right now. But it's your head, so you gotta put it on, bro. Let me see how big.
It's kind of like bootleg Nike. How much is this?
70? No, 160.
What is that? 100 sao?
Đúng rồi.
Oh no, không phải hả? I don't want that.
Cái này nó xịn.
Không được.
Nó mới để em cái thôi.
It's small.
Yeah.
Nó xịn.
Uh,
Đó hồi nãy mới thẻ.
yeah, I don't know. I'm just not really that stoked on any of the hats. I apologize.
You didn't say thank
Yeah,
you.
I'm sorry. Yeah, come on, Neil. Come on. Bye bye. Yeah. Xin lỗi. Xin lỗi. Yeah. I always feel a little bit bad not getting something, but I don't want to just waste money on a hat I don't really like. You know? I'm not a really big hat wearer. So if I'm gonna get a hat, I want it to be a cool hat. Is there anything that way? That's just a hospital. Should we check out, maybe do one more round in the market?
This way?
Yeah. Hidden market alleys. Let's
There's some more in this one.
Mua gì với ông? Mua đi ông. Ủa cái này đổ không được hả chị?
Miền Nam là miền Trung á.
oh, yeah, no, okay. Sorry. See what we got, see what we got. How much does she want for these hats? 150 thou, huh? Is that what hats are going for nowadays?
You can buy them for like, I don't know. Just take a price minus 50,000.
Yeah. I don't know.
It's a pretty good hat, this one. Except for the marking or whatever, the colors.
No, I don't like the Yankees.
It's fake anyway, why do you care?
No, it's the baseball team that's from New York. I'm not from New York. I'm from the other side. Nah.
It's really green.
What about the blue one?
Not bad, I guess. I like the red one.
No, I like the blue one better.
Okay, then get the blue.
Cái này là bao nhiêu?
Dạ 95.000.
95.000. 70 được không?
Bán đúng vậy.
Không được
Chỉ
à?
có đúng 5.000 thôi, 90.
90 hả?
Dạ.
Okay, let's do 90. Yeah, 90 được. What? I got a 5,000 discount.
Con này đúng không?
Yeah, yeah.
You should put it on first. Dạ để thử để coi vừa. À, okay.
Can we make it, yeah, big? I have a tendency to pick really ugly things, and this is probably pretty ugly, but
It is.
nice.
Fits.
Yeah? Oh yeah. Yes. Look at that. Thank you. Come on. Yeah.
So ugly.
I like it. Don't hate on my hat. All right. Go down a. Let's go.
That alley again.
That alley again? All right. Howdy, howdy. Yep. It's the same person, just a new hat.
Nếu mà về với tao thì tao trả.
Same man, different hat. I don't want to go down the alley. I didn't buy the.
No, this is
Oh,
different
okay.
now.
All right. I don't want to go down the alley where I stiffed the lady for the hat and then bought
Aw,
a way uglier one.
it's a kitty. Oh, it's like a convenience store.
Oh yeah. Got lots of coconuts.
Bác sĩ về nhà chăm đi đâu có đi được. Nhưng mà bác sĩ nó bảo sao? Nó bảo ông bị trục ra.
They got nón lá. Well, I think we're coming towards the finish line, which means backwards hat for cool factor. How does it look now?
Clothing. Oh, just as ugly.
Just as ugly.
Just clothing.
Dark market, dark it. Closing time. Turn out all the lights in the Vietnamese market. All right, well, I think that was a pretty good market exploration. What do you think? Pretty thorough. I got this awesome hat. We saw some fish. We saw 2 dogs play tug-of-war. You got some mangosteen. Pretty successful. All right, guys, hope you liked the video. If you did like it, click the like button, subscribe to the channel to support the growth, and leave any comments you have. I'm really happy to hear from you all, and I'll see you all in the next vlog. Peace.